What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be unboxing the LG Q6 finally. Now this is a phone that costs $225 either on Best Buy or Amazon. There are some other places to go ahead and pick it up, but I finally got my hands on it from Best Buy. There was literally one copy left. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and give you my first impressions. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so first of all, this device is going to have Android 7.1, I believe. We might have Oreo 8.0 soon, but I'm not 100% sure with that yet. This is made out of aluminum. The colors you can also get this in is black, gold, gray, and white. And on the back, as you can see, it says we are going to have a 5.5-inch FHD plus screen, and the pixel density for that is going to be 439 ppi, which is pretty nice, and it's going to be an IPS LCD display. And screen to body ratio is pretty decent at 79%. We also have scratch resistant glass, which is Corning Gorilla Glass 3. We have a 13 megapixel rear facing camera with an LED flash. We also have an f2.2 aperture. And yeah, as far as the hardware goes, we have the Snapdragon 435 inside of here, and that is going to be an octa-core processor. We also have an Adreno 505, which is pretty nice. 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, and you can go ahead and expand that via micro SD card up to 2,000 gigabytes. And last but not least, I want to talk about the battery before we go ahead and open this up. This is a 3000 milliamp battery, so it should be a pretty decent battery. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up now. Alright, so as you guys see, LG Q6 on the front, and if we go ahead and go to the back, we get this little tab right here. We're going to go ahead and cut that with Mr. Knifey. Always cut away from you guys because I did make a mistake before and I cut myself, so cut away from you. So the moment you guys have been waiting for, let's go ahead and take the top off. Whoa. Nice presentation. All right, so first of all, we get a cleaning cloth from LG. If you guys can see, we have LG emblems everywhere. Pretty dope. We have the Q6 right here, and I honestly think this looks like a smaller G6. It's basically a smaller G6, but yeah, as you see on the front, we have some specifications: 3000 milliamp battery, 5 megapixel wide angle selfie camera, face recognition, and full vision display. So let's go ahead and put that to the side. We have our quick start guide right here. Pretty nice. And we have our SIM ejector tool as well right there. We also have a micro USB cable, not type C, but honestly I can handle it, it's fine. We also have a travel adapter, and this phone is capable of fast charging, so we have a fast charger right here. Pretty dope. And yeah, I believe that is it. There's literally nothing else in here. Let's go ahead and get to the phone. Alright guys, so we have the phone right here. Let's go ahead and open this up, but we have a nice chrome back right there, as you guys can see. Let's go ahead and get this piece of little tape off right here. Nice. So we have our IMEI sticker right there. Let's go ahead and take that off. All right guys, so as you see, we have the back right here. It looks really nice. A nice little chrome back right there. We have Q6 at the bottom, as you guys can see. We also have the speaker on the back of the phone. We have our camera up here and our LED flash. At the bottom, we do have our 3.5mm head jack and our micro USB port, as well as another microphone. But yeah, so far the device definitely feels nice, definitely feels premium as well. Not too heavy, honestly, but it feels firm. Right side of the device, we do have our power button. Left side of the device, we do have a spaced volume up and down rocker, which is very nice. Bottom left side, we do have a SIM ejector, so we can go ahead and put our SIM card as well as an SD card up to 2,000 gigabytes, which is pretty cool. And at the top of the device, we have a noise canceling mic as well. We also have our camera on the front. We have a proximity light sensor, and we have a headset at the top. Very thin bezels. I absolutely love this, and we're going to go ahead and turn this device on. Also, if you guys would like to know, we do have a 5 gigahertz band on this, so just letting you guys know that right now. All right guys, so first and foremost, this phone actually surprised me. The screen looks really nice. With that FHD plus option. We do get very minimal bezels on this phone as well. As you can see, it's kind of like an oval around the screen. Looks really nice, honestly. Let's go ahead and take a look at the software. We also have Wi-Fi calling on this phone, if you guys did not know that as well. So yes, this phone does support Wi-Fi calling, but we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the software. And yes, we have Android 7.1.1, so we do have a Nougat on here still. Hopefully we can get that update for people with this device. But yeah, so far this phone looks really nice. But yeah guys, we're also going to take a look at the camera really quick, and take a picture of this Mario real quick. Makes that nice satisfying noise. You can also swipe up to go ahead and share it right here to any of these locations. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Yeah, it looks like we get some really nice detail with these photos. So yeah, it looks good so far. It looks really nice. I'm loving the screen so far as well. It kind of looks like an iPhone 10, but without the, you know, huge like notch at the top. But yeah, really liking this so far, honestly. Detail is really nice when you zoom in. Also, one more thing I wanted to check out is we actually do have face recognition on this, so we can actually set up face recognition. So allow face recognition right here. Press next. We're gonna go ahead and put in a pin. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start this really quick, and we're going to set up the face detection tool, and we're going to see what's up. Alright guys, so believe it or not, the face recognition tool is very, very accurate. I'm going to go ahead and try it a few times just to show you right now. So we're going to go ahead and turn off the phone, and we're going to go ahead and turn it back on. And boom, and it locks the phone for you. We're going to go ahead and try that a couple more times. Unlocks it for you. So yeah, very, very accurate face recognition right there. Not sure, maybe if you have an evil twin, they can unlock it. But yeah, very, very accurate so far. So yeah, if you guys are in the budget to go ahead and pick up this phone, I would definitely recommend it. Just doesn't have a fingerprint sensor, but hey, we have face recognition on here. Definitely leave it in the comments down below if you are going to pick this up. I am very interested. But if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. Also turn on the notifications if you guys do not have notifications on, so you guys are notified every time I do upload. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and sign out. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.